I'm Dee from Dee Lovey Life, and thanks for joining me on the One Box Challenge hosted by Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home. I will link her channel down below, as well as the playlist and the other participants who's joining this collab. One Box Challenge, I went ahead and I randomly chose different items that I need to unhaul and purge out of my home. If you guys have been following me, you know that I have been doing other declutter challenges around the year, and what is up with just one more box? Well, I randomly went around my house for the last, I think it was a half an hour, and I'm gonna show you what I went ahead and filled up my box, or actually 2 bags, because I didn't really have a box. So you gotta use what you got. Since I don't have a large box to put all my items, I've been really wanting to get rid of these tote bags. These are just a pain for me to take to the grocery store and reuse them because their handles are so darn long. So I have 1 and 2, and I'm going to put my items that I'm getting rid of on this One Box Challenge into these 2, so I can also donate the 2 bags that I want to get rid of. Another bag I'm going to get rid of is this nice black one. I just found out that it had a nice pocket here, but I don't need it, so that needs to be donated. And this was found in the pocket of that bag. Isn't that cute? But we don't need it. Next item is this Snuggie right here that was given to my mom, but she complains it's just too itchy for her. So I've been kind of keeping it, and I just don't know why. So I'm gonna go ahead and donate that. Okay, I've been purchasing some new recipe books from the thrift store, so it's time for me to go ahead and get rid of this one. I already got 2 really good recipes for cookies, so I'm gonna go ahead and let someone else enjoy those. And a second recipe book that I'm going to give up is a seafood cookbook, because I found another one to replace this one that I think I like the recipes. It just has more recipes, but that's still a good one, so I'm going to go ahead and donate that one back to the thrift store, probably where I found it. Isn't that funny how that works? Okay, next item are these Christmas trays I bought, and I think it's just time to let these go. I just didn't really use them this year, and I'm not too sure if I'm going forward. I really want to get something else, so I think it's time for me to let these go, although this one would be great for Valentine's Day. No, Dee, no, just let's get rid of them. Here's a cool coffee cup that my mom used to scoop her cat's dry cat food out, named Kitty, and we don't use this anymore. So, and I just been holding it in the cupboard now for several months, so I think it's time for us to get rid of this one too. And then I'm gonna go ahead and donate this one. This is just a regular Pilsner beer kind of glass thing, and husband has not used this for a couple of years now, so I think it's time for us to let go of that one. And then I have been holding this picture for years, thinking that one day I'll use it in the back patio, blah 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 blah, yada yada yada. And you know, that day never happened. So I think, you know, I feel so bad getting rid of this. It had matching cups in the whole 9 yards, but I think I already donated the cups. I was just holding on to the picture thinking I was going to use it one summer, but I never have. So yeah, sorry picture, but today's your day to go bye-bye. So here are some candle holders. Obviously I haven't used in a while, and a candle, so those will also be going. Although I do really like this one, but I just, yeah, hopefully someone else will enjoy it as well. I've had this guy now for 3 years, and I've never taken him out of the package. So I'm gonna let someone else enjoy him as well. But he is cute, isn't he? Tight. They just have that curve and it's just like, it's too tight. And I can only handle wearing it for so long, so. And then these ones, they just press right here on my little chubby cheeks. So I'm gonna let those ones go as well. I just don't like them anymore. They're just too small. Actually, someone left these here, and we've had them for like a year, and so, whoa. So it's time to just donate these as well. Maybe someone else can use these. Why am I hanging on to these ones? You want to talk about randomness? I just found this in my office, so don't use that. And then this one either. It's missing the glass, but I figure someone could probably use this still. Pair of shorts, pair of capri pants, some really short workout shorts, like, yeah, right, and a real comfortable long sleeve pajama top, but it's getting too short. And then since we're sticking on randomness, decluttering, I went and found this in our guest room. This is my mother-in-law's bathrobe, and we were kind of laughing because I've had it for over 12 years. And so she says, get rid of it. And then this is an extra Cal King blanket that we've never used in, I don't know, over 5, 6, 7 years now. So those two are going to leave the house. Well, thank you so much for watching this. If you like decluttering, cleaning, cooking vlogs, I kind of do a little bit of this and that on my channel, and I would love it if you click that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up for getting rid of another box. And don't forget to check out the playlist down below so you can see the other participants' videos. I just love these kind of things. Thank you so much, Rachel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye.